suspect is driving a blue 2010 Volkswagen Jetta bearing TX license plate number South BL1628. The suspect was last seen in Point, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Rains County Sheriff's Office at 903-473-3181. News media point of contact is Rains County Sheriff's Office at 903-473-3181. The current